Hello, how are you all everyone? Today I talked Air Excel online check-in system. How to check Excel Airlines. How to check Excel Air. Web check-in Excel Air. So this is my YouTube channel, Engineer Shahjan. This channel only airlines video uploaded. So subscribe my channel and watch this video. So at first typing here Air Excel Web check-in. Then enter, then first link airexcelonline.com. Airexcel flying the skies the Tanzania. So first link is the Airexcel website link. So click here this link. So this is the Airexcel website. Very good website and professional design this website. Airexcel Airlines is very nice. Oh, beautiful. So at first many options showing destination, flight schedule, private flight, news, many options showing. Contact us, special offer, update, COVID-19 information. So at first find reservation, click here. Find reservation. Find reservation means check-in option. ठीक है. At first booking reference. Booking reference means PNR number. PNR number typing here. 6-digit PNR number typing here. Then last name typing here. Then last name typing here. Then search, click here. Then search, click here. Then fill up your information. Then seat select. Then find your boarding pass showing. Download your boarding pass and print your boarding pass. Then airport. Thank you all everyone. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.